Guys, Andrew here and welcome back to Joe Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check your Zotero browser sessions. This is basically going to show you when you last signed into your Zotero account and of course current session and so forth. So all you have to do is head over to the Zotero.org website, official website there, sign into your account, and then on the upper right hand side you want to click on your username. That's going to take you to your profile settings. Here you can click on settings. Now on the left hand side click on security, and here you want to scroll down to where it says browser sessions. This is where you will be able to see your active sessions and also sessions that you've signed out of in the past. So once you look, and here you will be able to see those sessions, the current platform, the last use or the current time, if you're signing or not, the last IP address. As you can see there, it shows the expires, and you can also delete the session as well. Keep in mind that deleting the session is basically you signing out of your account. So once you sign out of your account, you will see that the session will no longer be valid. You will also see at times that it shows a second session, but once you log out of the session logbook in, you will realize that those other sessions will disappear. But that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.